Today I want to share with you an idea that can help you reach your trading income goal at the end of the year. Whatever you set when you start the year, we want you to reach this. And I want to share something that's pretty big in business, pretty important, but people fail to apply it in trading sometimes. And I believe strongly if you apply it in trading, you'll see your result skyrocket and things will improve pretty fast. Good morning traders, welcome back to Tulum in Mexico. I'm just about to leave. We have a pretty big travel day ahead. To go through that, I want to give you some context. Last week I was in Playa del Carmen, hanging out with one of my mentors that really helped me a lot in the past and still helped me a lot today. We were in a rooftop bar after a conference and I was telling him like what I did, what I was doing daily and the videos I was producing and all that stuff. And he said something right after, which is, you shouldn't edit your video yourself. And at first I thought, well, he's kind of right. Think about how much it's worth to do video editing. $20 an hour, maybe at most, 25, 30, but not more than that. I can edit all day, but at the end of the day, if those lessons are crap and bad, you won't learn. And I won't be able to reach my goal to help you, and that's the problem. Now, what if you flip this to trading? Well, the same thing happens. What if you spend all day filling out spreadsheet? It's not a job worth a lot, and you want to make $100,000, $200,000 or more per year. What are you doing with like these small tasks of like these spreadsheet things, these entering data, looking at stuff that's not really important on your computer? That's not how you reach your goals. And if you want to reach your goals in trading, you really need to spend your time doing things that are going to grow your trading as opposed to things that maintain your trading. Trading, placing trades, filling out your journal, all these things are maintaining your trading. They're keeping you on the same level. You'll make some income, you'll maybe make a living from it, but you won't grow. You won't get to your goals higher from where you are now. And that can be good for some people, but for most people, the ambitious people, which I love to talk to, that's not good enough. You need to do more than that. And that means that these small tasks, you need to push them aside a little bit, maybe even give them to someone else, maybe hire an assistant that's gonna do them for you. And I'm at this point where like I feel like I'm just on the edge of doing that, so having someone do the task in my trading I don't want to do, but just being there to do the tasks that are gonna lead to the biggest result. And now what do we mean by this? What do we mean by task giving the highest result? This is pretty simple. So what about creating a relationship, analyzing your trades, finding opportunities in the market, talking with other traders on how they do things? Those are all things that for me have been leading to big results. And more recently, creating automation systems, right? Creating systems that are going to trade for you. And this is something that if you really think your time is valuable, give it to someone else and tell him to automate what you do now. And that's going to lead to the biggest result because you can focus on what you're the best at and what creates more income in your trading later, such as creating a relationship, while someone else is going to code for you. And many times I use this in my business, but not so much in trading. And I think it's a really good idea to kind of grow your account, focus on what you love, and not get drained by the things you're having a hard time to do, but having other people to do these things and to help you move forward in the meantime. Ultimately, what makes you successful in trading isn't the small like things that you do, the small putting data on a spreadsheet or doing some formulas or whatever. That's not what helps you move forward. What truly helps you move forward and gain some really big success in trading is all about these things that you do that no one else can do. These things you've learned to do that produce more and more results. So ask yourself, right, before you get to do something on your day-to-day activities, is this something that maintains your trading? Or is it something that's going to grow your trading, make you better? And if you find yourself doing something that doesn't grow your trading, doesn't make you better, then switch it to what can I do now? It's going to either grow my trading business or make me a better trader. And very simple answers like, as opposed to filling out spreadsheet, talk to traders or reach out to investors, send emails to people you know. And think about the difference. It's crazy. You could fill out a spreadsheet all day, right, for 8 hours, for example. And at the end of the day, you have a spreadsheet. Or you could send email to investors, 100 investors in 8 hours, which is like very simple. And at the end of the day, you get maybe an investor, maybe 2, maybe 3 that can back up your trading. There's work to do before that, of course. But just talking about like in general, think about what you have to do now to grow your business and then do that. And the other things, keep them in mind because some things are necessary to do. You have to do them. But give them to someone else. In some cases, that could be your wife, it could be someone you know, that could be someone you hire, your dog, whatever you prefer. And then make this work, right? That's gonna lead to much bigger result than you sitting there and doing things that don't produce any result in the end. So focus on what's gonna lead to growth, and growth is always more rewarding than being stuck at the same level. Hope that makes sense, guys. We have a big day of travel today. I'm heading to Merida, and then to Progreso, which is a beach area. So let's do this. I'm gonna have to do a call first, so head to coffee shop, head to the bus station, take the bus, and then it's gonna be a lot. So, but let's get started with that right away. So guys, finally made it to Progreso. This is gonna be a pretty cool place, and I didn't film that much today. Honestly, it's been like a pretty boring day because there was like just bus and walking around and stuff, so not super interesting. But look at that, that's gonna be pretty cool. And look at the view. Obviously, like, you can't see much for now, but because it's nighttime, but it's gonna be really, really cool in the morning. You have the view on the beach. It's really windy, which I kind of like too. That's really awesome. A few places around. I'm gonna grab food for now. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Comment below to your thought as always. Give a like to that video if you liked it today. And I'll catch you back here in Progreso tomorrow. Ciao.